Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the historic Fort McIntosh campus at the Kazen Student Center. My name is Ruben. I'm the Public Information Officer for Laredo College. I want to thank you for being here this morning. Thank our media members that are joining us this morning. As we begin to prepare, we've been preparing, but we're getting closer to the big event, which will be our second annual FlamencoFest 2025, which actually starts next Tuesday. So we thank you for being here and for giving us the opportunity to share the exciting details about this year's event. After an extremely successful first year, we're excited to bring this event back to not only our college, but to the community as well. Just quickly, before I introduce a couple of guests, I want to recognize for our media the administrators that are here. Of course, our president, Dr. Mika Ramirez, is joining us. It's right down here. Also, we do have our provost, vice president of academic affairs, Dr. Maricela Rodriguez-Picanina, sitting with us this morning. We have Dr. Diana Ortiz, our vice president of institutional advancement, joining us, and our associate provost for strategic and collaborative partnerships, Dr. Eddie Blanco. Thank you to our administrators who are here and support all the endeavors here on campus. At this time, I'd like to welcome a big fan of the art of flamenco, that would be our very own president, Dr. Mika Ramirez.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this press conference. And thank you, Ruben, for always setting the stage for us in such a proper way. But I am going to call up our organizers for this event. Dr. David McGinnis, Department Chair, our Principal Dance Instructor for Laredo College, Ms. Patricia Rodriguez, and her sister, who's an adjunct faculty, Ms. Cristina Greco. So this is our second Flamenco Fest, and this brainchild came out of years of friendships and dancing together when we were children, not as adults. So the idea behind the Flamenco Fest was, one, people always complain that there's nothing to do in Laredo over the summer. And so this is definitely an opportunity for us to not only showcase Laredo College, but to showcase Laredo talent who has really taken a leap of faith, has put the 20,000 hours into the hard work of becoming professional dancers and are now all over the world. And this is an opportunity for us to bring them back to Laredo, provide our own students with an opportunity to learn from them and their experiences, and showcase to our community the beautiful art of flamenco dance. And with that, I want to say thank you to the team. I want to thank Dr. Ortiz and all of our PR team, Joanna and her colleagues, Dr. Picanina, because she's been supporting this on the academic side. But to all of the team that's helping put this together, our event services, the team over at the theater that's working on the stage that will be set up soon. But organizing this and putting it all together doesn't happen by accident. It is very deliberate, takes a lot of work, bringing people from other countries into our country to come in and teach and perform is a big deal. And so I want to thank all of you for your efforts, for your hard work, and we're very, very excited about this upcoming event, and we hope that the Laredo community will come out and support us. We still have tables available, and so we hope that, and we still have spaces available in the classes, and we're going to talk about that. But we hope that the Laredo community will come out and support our fine arts department, specifically our dance department. And with that, I'll turn it over to you all. I don't know who's going to go first. Okay.
Good morning. So my name is Patricia Rodriguez. I just want to talk to you a little bit about the classes that are being offered, and then I'll pass the torch on Ms. Greco. So our classes, we're going to have beginning, intermediate, and advanced flamenco. We're going to have a cante class and a guitar class. These teachers are phenomenal. They're going to be performing in the tablao as well. The best thing about this is not only that people get to take advantage of this opportunity to come out and take class with these wonderful artists, but the Laredo College students as well are able to take these classes for free. Now, something important is that I know some students have been asking, is it just 1 day, 2 days? The workshop is Tuesday, July 29th through Friday, August 1st. The Laredo College students can take as many classes as they like. They just have to contact me at patricia.colinas@laredo.edu, and I will sign you up. I'll let you know the times and so forth, even though it is on the website, laredo.edu/FlamencoFest. But it is just a wonderful opportunity that I really, really hope that the community as well comes out and takes advantage of these amazing classes. Also, one class is for the entire 4 days. So whatever the price is for that one class, it is for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and of course, as it goes up, it's just $100 more per class. And then it ends with a wonderful tablao on Saturday, which it's beautiful to see how they work throughout the week, and then it ends with this beautiful, where this whole Kazen Center is going to be transformed into something magnificent and very intimate, and the energy that is going to be in this audience is phenomenal. So we're hoping, and we invite everybody to come out. Again, there's really only about 4 tables left, but there are some individual seats. And so yes, come out and take advantage. And now I'm going to pass it to Ms. Greco.
Thank you. Well, she basically said everything. Entonces, si gustan, pues puedo decir un poquito en español, ¿no? Lo que son las clases que estamos ofreciendo, va a ser clases de baile en los 3 niveles, de principiante, intermedio y avanzado. Aparte de esas clases, tenemos clases de guitarra flamenca y de cante. Lo que son estas clases, lo que son los profesores que van a estar dando las clases, hay 4 que son del Instituto Nacional de Flamenco, y también tenemos a Iliana Gómez, que viene directamente de Madrid. Las clases empiezan en lo que es el martes 29 de junio y terminan el viernes 1 de agosto. Alumnos que están ahora mismo en Laredo College pueden tomar 1, 2, 3 o 4 clases gratis, y eso es increíble. Terminando la semana tenemos lo que es la función tipo tablao aquí en el Kazen Center, nuestra casa, y yo digo que no se lo pueden perder, es algo que va a ser increíble. Y gracias, doctora.
And with that, I want to say that all of this wonderful show and the workshops, los talleres, it costs money. And we are extremely grateful to our sponsors. We could not do it without the Guadalupe Villa Martinez Foundation, who has entrusted us with their generosity for this program. We're very grateful to them. We're very grateful to Blue Chip Catering. We're grateful to Ms. Vivi Flores and LNF Distributors. We have some very strong support from our community for this event, but certainly our title sponsor for the event being the Guadalupe Villa Martinez, to Mr. Bob Gonzalez, to his children who are part of the foundation, both Ana and David. Their kindness, their generosity is extremely appreciated for what we're doing. These these wonderful people want to show off their talent, but they also want to pass that on. And so we're very proud of the work that we're doing in our fine arts department, and we encourage the community to come out and take classes throughout the year, because we offer them all year long. But certainly this is one of those pinnacle events for us that we're very grateful for. Y sí, también para decir algo en español, darle las gracias a la Fundación de Guadalupe y Lilia Martínez, que nos patrocina este evento toda la semana, además de los otros patrocinadores que sin ellos no sería posible, porque para traer a personas de fuera para que vengan a hacer este tipo de taller, este tipo de trabajo y producción, no es fácil. Así es que muchísimas gracias a toda la prensa que está aquí hoy reunidos, y les damos las gracias al público que nos ha patrocinado. Sí es cierto que y se me hace que nada más quedan 4 o 5 mesas, pero vamos a agregar mesas si es necesario. Así es que si van al website y ven que ya no hay cupo, llámenos, porque hacemos cupo, porque aquí nadie se va a quedar fuera del espectáculo que vamos a presentar el día 2 de agosto y en los talleres. Muchísimas gracias a todos.
Thank you, Dr. Ramirez. So just to recap, quick summary, the workshops begin next Tuesday, July 29th. They'll be from July 29th through August 1st. You do have the beginners flamenco dance, the intermediate, and you have the advanced. And then you have the cante classes, and you have the guitar classes as well. So all of those workshops are happening from Tuesday through Friday. You can take 1, 2, 3 classes if you'd like. If you're a Laredo College student, it's at no cost to you. If you're someone who wants to come in and take these classes, it's $140 for one class, but that's for the whole week. Add $100 if you want to take 2 classes, and add another $100 if you want to take 3 classes. I cannot tell you enough about Sobre Las Tablas on Saturday night here at the Kazen. This is such a unique opportunity to have the Kazen Center transformed, and a piece of Spain comes alive right here on the stage here at the Kazen Student Center. The tablas that occur in Spain are going to be happening right here on the stage with these amazing performers up here. By the way, 2 of these performers on the screen are from Laredo, so next week, if you'd like to visit with one of the performers, one of the dancers, please contact us. You can contact me, you can contact Joanna, and we'd be happy to give you access to one of these performers. Diana Gomez comes from, she's living in Spain, but she's from Laredo, and she's doing very well in Spain. She's well known throughout the country and throughout the world. We also have, I think it's Andrea Lozano, who's also from Laredo. So again, she's from Laredo College, as a matter of fact. So again, these are stories that you want to cover next week. Please let us know. We'd be happy to give you access. But please encourage folks to also come out to the Sobre Las Tablas. That's how you can get involved with the FlamencoFest. We're so excited, as you can tell. We hope to see you here. We hope that you can help us invite the public and spread the word about this very unique opportunity that is FlamencoFest. Thank you all for being here, members of the media. Thank you so much. We will have all the folks behind me available for an interview. Dr. Ramirez, of course, Patsy and Christina as well are available for interviews, and Mr. McGinnis as well. So thank you for being here, and we'll see you next week for FlamencoFest 2025.